Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I love to share subscription boxes, and I'm really into makeup, and so I have a haul I got from Ulta Beauty, and this is a sneak peek of some of it. I have more. But anyway, I had a fun little time also receiving free gifts and whatnot. So that's what I'm going to share today, and let's get to it. Okay, friends, I appreciate your support. Thank you for being here. I have a lot of fun videos coming up with the holiday season coming. I have some extra special fun things. So stick with me. I'd love it if you'd subscribe, hit the like button, and follow my channel if you wish. That would be wonderfully appreciated. Thank you. And so as far as this Ulta haul, I'm going to share, they had a deal where if you bought, I think you had to spend $20 or something like that on Ulta products, and they gave you a free bag of a makeup set. So, and this is really a good makeup set. I remember before I really got into beauty, I used to shop at Ulta a lot, and I would get their makeup all the time. They always have deals on makeup kits and whatnot, and so they do have a good makeup line. I do like their makeup. I like their eyeshadows, a lot of stuff I like. So the first thing I got was a Sephora. It was called Beauty Besties. It's this kit here. It's got an eyeshadow palette. It's got, I think this is a blush, a lip gloss, and a mascara. So it's kind of just a little set, fun. I thought I would get this. I could give it as a gift to someone. So I thought I liked the colors too in the eyeshadow palette. So anyway, I got this, and then the free gift that comes with it comes in this cute little squishy bag with a cute little zipper pull, and we'll see what's in here. So it's full. It's got lots of stuff. Okay, so it comes just in a little plastic bag like this, and what's in it is, I'm doing this on the spot here. I didn't know it was going to be tricky to open. But so we get a beauty blender. It seems like a good one. It's real firm. So that's the first thing in here. The next thing I've seen is, this looks like it must be a blush. These are sealed, so I'm not going to open it, but it's got a blush in it. Let me see if they show, if it tells, let me see what if it tells on here. What else in it? It's a 10-piece set, and does it tell you what's in it? Okay, it's got a poreless face primer right here. It's just like a mini, a tinted eye primer, which I'm just guessing here, you guys, what's what, but we've got, I'm thinking this is the tinted eye primer right here, and then it's got eyeshadow palette right here. Love the colors. It's just kind of a fun neutral, or they're using even a few fall colors in there, so there's that. Then it's got a tinted lip oil mini. That looks like this. That's probably, I don't know. That might be this one. It's one of these. The other one is a liquid lipstick, and it's a shine. I'm thinking that's probably this one right here. So 2 lip products. They're really fun little bullets, and it's got a brush, an eyeshadow brush. So, whatever, but it looks like it works okay. Actually, feels pretty good. And then we got a blush here, just a cream blush. I love the stick blushes, so there's that. And we have mascara, full size. So this is an Ulta, let's see what it says. Ultimate Lashes Mascara. So a mascara. So anyway, there's 10 things. That's including the bag. So that is worth spending $20 and you get this. This is a $19.50 value. So anyway, that's kind of fun. So I happened to shop twice on there. I went 2 different shops. One time I got this, I'm not going to get into it now, but I got this 21 days of self-care, and this will be something I'll be opening. It has some really good items in it, so I thought, you know what, I kind of like that. That's fun. So I got that, and then I got the free makeup bag. Then I bought this and got a free makeup bag, and I also bought this. This is the Perfume Mist Discovery Trio from Sol de Janeiro. $25 for the 3 different ones. So I love this, and these are fun gifts too. So this is another kind of a gift item. I am gonna be giving out makeup products probably to some of my friends and stuff, just because I love it so much, and I'm hoping if I give stuff, I'll give stuff that I like or that I would recommend. So anyway, but this is great. So I also got a free, I don't know how this came free, but they call this a phone charm, but it looks like a lipstick case. So anyway, it's kind of cute. I don't know if I'll use it or not, but it's got a couple charms on it, and so that was free. And then the last thing I got is, I don't even know if I want to show this yet, but anyway, you guys know I love Benefit Cosmetics, and I was shopping on their site, and they had a 30% off sale, and there was things I wanted, but they were out of their, a lot of the things I wanted were in their advent calendar, and they had things I wouldn't necessarily buy, but I really wanted to try that was in the advent calendar. So they were out of it on their site, so I picked it up at Ulta. So I've got this little grocery cart full of Benefit products, 25 days. I think it's 25, 24 days. I don't know. Anyway, so that's something I'll show in the future too. So anyway, that's kind of it for my Ulta haul. I'm really happy with it. So anyway, I think these bags are great. If you want to go pick up, just have a cute little makeup kit. There was almost everything you could use in here. It could be taken to travel with or whatever. So, and the bags are real soft and fun. I like the bags. I like the zipper pulls. So that's that. I'm not going to open these up because I want to save it for a gift. But so it was fun. I spent a lot of money at Ulta, but I got some free stuff and I got some fun stuff. So I'm happy about it. It's a great place to go get gifts. So if you're considering Ulta, I know there's a lot of stuff you can find. There was more stuff I wanted, but I was just going kind of wild with the advents. But anyway, thank you. That's it for this video, but I have a lot more fun stuff coming up. Obviously, I have a couple of some advent calendars to share, and I have a huge Sephora haul, so we're gonna get to that too. And I guess that's it for now. So thank you for being here. Thank you for your support, and I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends, bye-bye.